Web hosting is one of the great ways to get started as an affiliate. There are over 547,000 new websites created every single day, and it can be a great opportunity to make anywhere between $65 and $7,000 per commission with affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm actually going to reveal the 6 best web hosting programs where you can start making some passive income. In fact, I've actually broken down this video into 3 sections: entry-level web hosting programs, medium, and large as well. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how you could earn $7,000 per sale. Hello, my name is Alston Godbold, and as a successful affiliate marketer, I have earned commissions with everything from web hosting, security cameras, microwaves, soundbars, stand mixers, and even online courses. If you want real affiliate marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with things that you already own. All right, I've told this story a bunch of times, so I'm not going to tell it again, but I actually earned my first 2 commissions with affiliate marketing and the Bluehost affiliate program. So that's why I always enjoy talking about web hosting, because I think anybody can get into it. And I'm just going to take a couple minutes real quick to recommend some suggestions when promoting web hosting. Now, as I mentioned, there are over 547,000 new websites created every single day. Most of them are blogs of some sort. And what I did to earn commission over this weekend is I created a YouTube channel. It's called Web Hosting Rewind. You can check it out for yourself. And what I did is I just did a little bit of keyword research, and I searched how to start an underscore blog. For example, how to start a yoga blog or a teacher blog, a history blog. And I've simply created a step-by-step guide showing people how to do it. And one of the steps that they need, the first step, in fact, is they need to get a domain name and web hosting, and I recommend Bluehost. So that is how you can get up and running. You can also do comparison videos, so you can do something like SiteGround versus WP Engine, or Bluehost versus HostGator or GoDaddy. There are tons of ways that you can break into this industry. And so I want you to go ahead and take action and start working on this, because this can bring you, as I mentioned, up to $7,000 per sale. So without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about these 6 different web hosting affiliate programs. Now, as I mentioned, I've actually broken down these 6 web hosting programs into 3 different tiers. Now, the tiers are based on who they're best for. So beginners, people that are just starting their blog or website; medium, so small or medium-sized businesses or small and medium-sized blogs; and then large websites or large blogs. So let's go ahead and get right into it. The first one, and the one that I talk about probably the most, is simply with the Bluehost affiliate program. With the Bluehost affiliate program, you start off earning $65 in commission, and then you can actually get bumped up to $100 once you've earned enough commissions at the lower tier. Again, I like Bluehost because it's entry level. It has a pretty strong name recognition in the industry. They run ads, so people are familiar. They've seen the name before. The only downside to Bluehost is sometimes their customer service isn't very good, or it's not as good as the other ones on this list, but it's still good enough that people will continue to buy Bluehost. So number 1 is Bluehost. Number 2 after Bluehost is HostGator. With HostGator, you can earn anywhere between $50 and $125 per commission. This has a strong name recognition in the industry. In my opinion, not as strong as Bluehost. They do run ads, so you're going to see them all the time. And you can actually do comparison videos between Bluehost and HostGator, and you're going to attract a lot of people. Now, those are the 2 entry-level or beginner services for web hosting. After Bluehost and HostGator, we enter into the second tier. Now, the second tier are for websites and blogs that are getting between 50,000 and, let's say, 150,000 page views per month. Now, the reason why I broke this down and broke these up into 3 different tiers is because you're going to market these differently. You're not going to talk to someone that's just getting into blogging or starting a website the same way that you would talk to people that have traffic already. Because that people that already have traffic, they know what they need, they know what they don't need. They're looking for more stability, they're looking for more consistency, and they're looking for more personalized service. And so when we think about this, WP Engine is a great place to start for medium traffic, medium websites. They'll actually pay $200 plus in commissions depending on the package that they sign up with. The cool thing with WP Engine and this one that I'm going to mention afterwards is they do free site migration. And so basically what that means is they will actually do all of the work getting the site from Bluehost over to WP Engine. And so it's a real hands-off process. They'll actually do upgrades and all of that stuff for you so that you can focus on getting traffic. After WP Engine, we have SiteGround. Now with SiteGround, they'll pay you between $50 and $125 per commission. Now again, SiteGround is going to be more hands-on with their clients because their clients are looking for more personalized service. Also, when you're thinking about promoting WP Engine or SiteGround, you want to look for types of content like Bluehost alternatives or best web hosting provider for medium traffic or for websites over 50,000 page views per month. People are searching that. And so that's when you can recommend things like WP Engine or even SiteGround. Those are the two that are in the medium tier. Now we're going to enter into the top tier. This top tier are for websites and blogs that are getting, let's say, 1 million page views per month, and they absolutely need all of the resources that they can handle. Number one, or I should say number 5, is actually with Liquid Web. With Liquid Web, you're going to make somewhere between $150,000 and $7,000 per commission, depending on the level that they sign up with. Now, Liquid Web actually has a ton of different tiers to meet just about everybody where they are, but I'd like to think that Liquid Web and even this one afterwards are more focused on the top tier clients, the top 1 or 2% of people, which still turns out to be a lot, that need a ton of traffic. Just like the medium tier, they're going to do site migration. They'll even do upgrades on plugins and things of that nature. That's outside the scope of this video, but they are really, really hands-on. The 6th one is Kinsta. Now, I like Kinsta because they actually have a Google backend. And basically what that means is they're supported by the Google network. And anytime you can tap into the first and second most visited websites in the world, you know that you're doing something right. Now, Kinsta will only pay you between $50 and $500 commission, depending on the level of service that your customer signs up with. And just a bonus tip, if you want to increase the chances of earning commissions, I recommend that you offer your clients or your target audience some sort of bonus. Give them a free guide, a free cheat sheet, give them, the 5 best ways to get local SEO or 5 best ways to get more traffic to your website. When you give them that type of bonus, you can actually make more commissions in sales. And that actually works at any level because the one thing that bloggers all need is more traffic. So give a tip. You can either hire someone to write that for you. You can come up with these tips yourself and then say, if you buy the web hosting package from me, I'll actually provide you a tip with 21 best ways to get more traffic to your website. They're, of course, going to be interested in that, and that's going to increase the chances of buying. You can also do other things like setting up their first website for them. You can do migration services if you really wanted to. You want to make sure that you think outside the box to set yourself apart from everybody else. Again, just to recap real quick, number 1 and number 2, Bluehost and HostGator, that's the entry level. Number 3 and 4 are WP Engine and SiteGround. And then the top tier, in my opinion, are Liquid Web and Kinsta. Now that you know the 6 best web hosting affiliate programs, click the first link in the description for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with things that you already own. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.